So we got everybody here. We got Linus. We got John Bridgers over here. What up, John? Dun, dun, dun.
Hey, what's happening?
Sin City Air Gun.
All right. Hey, I'm here in Utah Air Gun Store. It's my favorite store, by the way.
That's right.
Just bought myself an Armageddon, and this is the medium bag. Check that out. Nice. And
They
then,
look expensive.
just imagine me standing with this shirt on. Yeah, just here. Let me.
There we go. There we go. A little cuddle action.
Oh yeah.
Love
Oh, I'm gonna look so good wearing this.
It is gonna look nice. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. We got Wasatch over here, man.
How's it going there, Tyler?
Putting it down, man. Your tournament,
Good to see you, man.
It was amazing this year and last year.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see for the pre EBR, man.
All right, you ready to shoot at Rmac?
Every time you ask me this, man, one of these days you're gonna get me out. I'm gonna get out there, man.
All right.
I just got to get the right setup, you know, because I got people like this guy with the Cuban, so I can't go out there with no phony baloney.
You know, just sometimes it's better to get out and do something than nothing. You know.
Now you're making me feel like a bum. That's messed up, man.
So glad you made it down here.
Appreciate you big
All right,
time, man.
Good luck on your shooting.
Most definitely, bro.
All right.
Thank you. Linus. Oh, we got Donnie over here. Fresh haircut.
What's up?
You got some new merch coming out, y'all.
Yep.
Well, it's already out, huh?
Yeah, it's already out.
Where can they find it, man?
JohnnyFL.com.
Ooh, y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Is that baby Justin? Yeah. Justin, you on camera. I got you. Red Rider. Ooh, we got all the stuff right here for the people that competing. These are the goodie bags. Can we look inside for the camera? Can we get a sneak peek? Is that okay? Uh-oh. You guys seeing it first. Ooh, okay.
Got lots of swag.
You guys are getting hooked up. Now I'm jealous I'm not competing.
Got some t-shirts, got some chapsticks, some chamber flags.
That is awesome. Heck yeah.
Lens stuff. Wallets.
Sweet.
Lots of stuff. Lots of cool stuff. Some koozies.
That is so cool. You guys are amazing, man. Appreciate you guys.
Appreciate it.
Ooh, the good, bad, and the CO2.